Are you looking for a simple and effective way to boost your health and well-being? Look no further than the humble boiled egg. Only 2 boiled eggs a day can significantly improve your overall health and bring some exciting benefits to your daily life. In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs every day. First and foremost, boiled eggs are rich in high-quality proteins, which are essential for the growth and repair of our cells and tissues. Studies show that consuming 2 boiled eggs for breakfast is remarkably satisfying and can help curb cravings throughout the day. Eating boiled eggs can also boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories and facilitate weight loss. What's more, boiled eggs are rich in choline, a vital nutrient that is associated with improved brain function and cognitive performance. So by incorporating boiled eggs into your daily diet, you'll stay sharp, focused, and alert all day long. Protein is also critical for building and maintaining strong muscles. Physical trainers recommend a diet high in protein sources like boiled eggs to help maximize muscle growth and repairs. Did you know that boiled eggs are also great for hydrating your body? They're 90% water. Boiled eggs are also low in calories, making them an excellent food choice for anyone maintaining or working towards a healthy weight. Consuming 2 boiled eggs a day is also great for digestion and can soothe digestive issues and reduce bloating. And last but not least, boiled eggs can help boost your immunity and protect you against diseases. So what are you waiting for? It's time to add some boiled eggs to your plate and start experiencing all the incredible health benefits that come with this fantastic food. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness.